Hello, my name is Brad Nowatarsky. I'm the owner here at Specialty Rigging, and I established this in 1999. When I was about 15, 16 years old, I started in this kind of line of work in the industrial sector, and did that until 1999, and then I went out on my own, started Specialty Rigging at that time. I definitely like the larger equipment, having equipment, seeing our equipment on the road. It's kind of like what I've always done. I never really branched out onto a whole lot of other little side businesses, if you will, because this is kind of what I know the best, and this is what I think I'm good at, and I just, predominantly like this with the heavy equipment, interacting with the customers, going out and looking at work. That's probably the most thing I like is the equipment and actually meeting the customers and, taking step by step, day by day, what they want to do, how they want to try to do it, and what we can do to help them get their job done successfully and safely. I'd say 80 to 85% is strictly machinery moving, whether it's any kind of manufacturing. It could be food, metal fabrication, injection molding, pharmaceuticals. Pretty much anybody that has a company that manufactures a part, we would install that equipment into their facility, move it around, relocate it. We do a lot of maintenance work for customers, more like in the millwright line of work. A lot of companies they look for outside help to come in and help their crew fix problem situations that they have in their facilities. And I guess the third thing I would say we would do is what I call miscellaneous fabrication, where we build one-offs of something that you just can't go out and buy from a supplier. And we can do that in-house with shearing capabilities, press brake capabilities, welding, and then we can get them powder coated for the end user. And then of course we can install that as well. There's a lot of work, weeks prior to that actual day that we're going to do the job on kind of the internal side of it. It starts with a phone call, kind of a job walkthrough, the proposal process, and then the physical job where we are actually on site doing the work. The biggest challenge is logistics, getting the equipment to the customer's site, and outside situations as far as asphalt, paving, stones. But it's mostly logistics with trucking and getting the equipment off the truck and into the customer's facility. Things that I think that's kind of set us apart, believe it or not, is customer service. You don't think of customer service in a machinery moving company. We return phone calls pretty much right away. That's a real big thing. And our equipment is pretty much top-notch equipment as far as in our industry. Our trucks are clean. People kind of know the white and yellow, if you will. I have customers that are with me since day one, and they see the same guys come back time after time. Some companies we see once a month, sometimes once a year, sometimes 3-4 times a year. They see that same face recognition. Oh, I remember Steve, he was there before. I remember this guy, back and forth. So I think that between us contacting the customer back right away and talking to them and seeing the trucks come all painted the same, and then that repetition of seeing that same face or two faces when we come back over years of time, I think it says a lot for what my business stands for, to be honest with you.